I'm going to click on head. Right, you can click already on properties here because you're going to use this. Then you're going to add our texture here, add resources. Alright, we're going to add our texture. Our texture is a texture. Alright, now we're going to add a fill layer here, guys. Here on base color, here on projection, going to warp projection. On UV wrap none. Alright guys, so now you can play with the projection style and everything here. Going to scale it down. Scale, rotate and translate. Scale it down. Alright guys, once you are done here, making your projection, check again here how it's supposed to turn on Second Life without the materials on. Once you're ready guys, go to export textures. Alright, in this case here guys, I selected the head only because I need only the head texture, and I unchecked every single material, but